Hey guys, what's going on? Miller Dude 400 here, and welcome to my first unboxing video. Today we got two unboxing that I got from Amazon. One is in the bag, and then one I already kind of opened because I didn't know what it was. So we're gonna showcase you guys the first one, and the first one is the Resident Evil 5 cooling temperature. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it's the cooling change temperature mug, and this thing is pretty cool. Maybe show you guys the box and all that. Sorry if you guys cannot be able to see it good or not. Don't have a good light and all that. But anyway, here is the mug. If I can get it out slowly, I might keep the box. And then there we go. Here it is, the Resident Evil 5 mug. And what this thing do is that when you put hot liquid in it, it will change it to white. Just like it'll show in the box. I don't know if you can be able to see it or not, but it will, right now it's like this right now. And until I put something hot in it, it will change it to this. I will, probably not tonight, but I will do a showcase on it, how it works and everything. But this is how is the color change temperature mug. And just to let you guys know, I am a big fan of Resident Evil. 5 is actually my favorite game ever. I love to do some gameplay on it and all that. But you know, I might have to rebuy the game. But anyway, yeah, no, if you guys want to see some Resident Evil 5 gameplay, let me know in the comment below. And all that. So that is boxing number 1. I'm gonna put that stuff all back together a bit. So that is boxing number 1. And now for another package. So we are going to see what this is. And it came with a little tiny box. And it is a Golden Deal that for my PS5. If you guys don't believe me, I got a PS5. I will show you guys that I do have a PS5 right here. I will show you guys the console as well. But what this is, and I saw it on Amazon, and it's a quick deal that you can put on this remote to cover the black. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna do that real quick. We're gonna put this in for you. I don't know what this other tool is. I don't know what that is, but alrighty. So it looked like what we have to do is probably put it around here. Okay, I see where we're at. Okay. I don't know if there are any holes or anything, but it looked like you just put this over here and then it just clip on it. But that's what it's put to look like. After you get it all equipped, it's put to be like all shiny and gold. I don't know if I can be able to do it tonight. If you guys have anything like these, let me know in the comments how they work, because I might end up breaking my remote if I don't know what I'm doing. But alrighty guys, well, that is the 2 unboxing for today. I will be doing more. In the comment, I'll be unboxing some Christmas stuff, so I will do a showcase on that. I will show you guys my PS5, just to make you guys think I'm not like, oh, I'm just a bullshitter. Oh, I make this video just to get views and shit like that. No, I'm not going to be one of those type of people. But anyway, so if you guys like this video, please leave a like. If you guys want to see more of these, please let me know in the comment below if you guys want to see more of these. Please leave a like, subscribe if you guys are new, and I'll see y'all next time. See ya.